Hi guys, welcome to BAi's channel. This is Maintenance Center. Today's topic is how to use the socks device. First of all, you need to prepare all the following tools and accessories: socks device, socks guide bar, 3mm hexagon wrench, backing paper, adhesive sticker, and socks. We will teach you how to operate step by step, and more operation instructions are below the video. Please click the subscribe to follow us and learn more. If you are ready, let's get started. Step 1. Separate the socks embroidery device and put the socks frame on the fixing device. Then put the backing paper and then install the sock. Here you need to make sure that the backing paper is kept flat during the installation. Remove the embroidery frame and press the embroidery frame to mount it in the fixed device. Remove the fixing device and check whether the two sides of the sock is flat. Step 2. Install the socks device to the socks guide bar. Use the screws and a 3mm hexagon wrench to fix the device to the guide bar. Tighten the screws. Step 3. Stack the other as the hook size on the screen. Install the socks device and guide bar to the machine guide rail. Start from the 6-hole installation on the right and move the embroidery frame to the center of the sock embroidery device. Step 4. Select the designed pattern, track the position, and start embroidery. Okay, this is today's topic. If you are satisfied with our content, please give us a follow and look for more content from us. If you want to know more information on us, please click the subscribe and leave your comments under the video. Alright, that's it for today. See you next time.